Hello friends, I am Guna Madhivanan, Current Affairs faculty at Offices IAS Academy. In this video, I will be discussing our 100th Current Affairs headless topic, that is Becca. So thanks for all your support, for motivating me, for continuing this video series. Alright, so now 100th topic, Becca, most important topic I would say. To understand Becca, first we have to understand some other important defense agreements which we have signed with USA. Becca is also one of the recent defense agreement which we have signed with USA, but there are three other important agreements which we have to have some clarity on. First one, in the year 2002 we have signed an agreement called as GSOMIA, General Security of Military Information Agreement. This agreement prescribes security standards and protocols for safeguarding information. So, the defense headquarters from USA and India, they share some information, sensitive information. That information shared has to be properly protected. To protect, USA has shared some security protocols, right? So, this prescribes security standards and protocols for safeguarding information shared by both the defense headquarters. The next important agreement was signed in the year 2016, that is LEMO, Logistics Exchange Memorandum of Agreement. Friends, when two countries signs such military logistics agreement, now India and USA has signed this military logistic agreement. When two countries sign such military logistic agreement, then both the countries can use both the countries' military bases for certain purposes. For example, now Indian naval ships can use American naval bases for refueling, for replenishing the resources, or to do some repair work, something like that. Like that, American naval ships can also use American naval ships. They are coming in Indian oceans, they want to refuel, they want to replenish their resources, they want to do some repair work, they can come to Indian naval bases and they can do that. For certain purposes, both the countries' militaries can use both the countries' and military bases. That is the significance of this military logistic agreement. So, India and USA has signed a military logistic agreement in the year 2016 called as LEMO. Recently, India has signed similar military logistic pacts with Australia as well as with Japan. You have to know that. Next is COMCASA. In 2018, we have signed a significant agreement called as COMCASA, Communications Compatibility Security Agreement. Communication Compatibility Security Agreement. Friends, we are buying several important aircrafts from America, military aircrafts, right? So, we are buying these kind of important military aircrafts, for example, C-117, C-130, Poseidon 8A aircraft. So, these aircrafts we are importing it from America, but we are importing only the aircraft. We will do some modification in the aircraft. So, we have imported the aircraft, and what we did, we were installing our own communication systems. Say for example, now we are buying the aircraft from America and we are installing our own communication system. What communication system? In the mid-air, if both the Air Force pilots, if they want to interact, they need a communication system. Now, from the headquarters, if some information has to be passed to the aircrafts, there should be a communication system. Remember, if there is a war, right? So, if there is an enemy country, China, assume there is a war in India and China, this communication system should be very, very effective. It should be encrypted, because whatever we discuss, if that is not encrypted, if that is going to be in a readable format, if China is able to read all our discussion, then we will be losing the war. So, the communication systems installed in the aircraft should be very, very, very important. So, what happened? So, we were buying American aircrafts, but we were installing Indian communication system. It was not compatible. So, we were asking America to give their communication system. Here there is a threat, friends. Remember, communication system is something very, very important. Today India and USA are friends. America, if they are giving their communication system, then now we can do reverse engineering, we can understand America's communication systems. Maybe in the time of war, today India and USA are friends, but tomorrow if we are becoming enemies, then America's communication systems are exposed to Indian engineers. Similarly, other way, when America is giving their communication system and it is being installed in Indian aircrafts, then it is their communication system. Today we are friends, tomorrow when we become, if at all we become enemies, then America can easily read our communications, right. So, there is a threat in both the sides equivalently, but however, under this agreement, USA, they said they will be giving their communication system, okay. So, they will be giving their communication system to make our aircrafts more equipped, right. So, Indian armed forces are currently dependent on less secure commercially available communication system on high-end American platforms, right. So, that becomes difficulty to share data in real time with friendly militaries. So, this allows secure peacetime and wartime communications between high level military officials. This COMCASA agreement, communication compatibility security agreement. The fourth important agreement which we have signed recently, that is why it was in news, is BECA, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement, friends. This agreement was signed in a recent 2+2 dialogue which happened between India and USA. What is this 2+2 dialogue? 2+2 is a dialogue format in which two countries' defense and external affairs ministers will be sitting parallelly, simultaneously they will be having a discussion. So, Indian defense minister, Indian external affairs minister, they will be having a simultaneous discussions with their counterpart from other country, that is USA in this case. So, they will be having a discussion, that is called as 2+2 dialogue format. In the latest 2+2 dialogue format, India and USA have signed this BECA agreement, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. So, when two countries sign this agreement, now India and USA have signed, right. Now, India will get access to real time American geospatial intelligence. Similarly, India will be giving, or USA will be sharing all the information, geospatial information which we have collected through our satellite system. Through our satellite system, we have sensitive spatial, geospatial information of various areas that we will share it with America. Similarly, America through their GPS systems, through their satellite systems, they have precise, accurate data, geospatial data that they will share with India. So, what happens? So, this helps India to precisely target the adversaries, to effectively navigate our missiles. Those data will become more useful. So, we are sharing our geospatial intelligence data to America and they will be sharing their whatever data they have, they will be sharing it with India. This is the objective of BECA agreement. So, we have signed 4 agreements, GSO MAA in 2002, LEMO in 2016, COMCASA in 2018 and BECA in 2020. These agreements are generally called as foundational agreements. These are called as some 4 foundational defense agreements. There are 4 foundational defense agreements which India and US have signed. So, US signs these 4 foundational defense agreements only with the countries which it considers as very close defense allies. So, India is considered to be important strategic defense partner of USA. That is why both the countries have signed these 4 foundational defense agreements. That is why it was in news. Right, friends. So, here I have given a question based on our discussion. So, you can find out the right answer and give it in the comment section. Alright. So, here I have given the features of my exclusive current affairs program. So, if you are interested, you can go through. In this current affairs program, current affairs course, I will be covering 1 year's current affairs for our prelims 2021 particularly. You will be given access to live online classes. Apart from that, you can also get the access to recorded videos. You can watch it any number of times you want. Along with this course, I will be giving you 1300 high quality current affairs MCQs along with solution, right. So, if you are interested, you can go through these features. For any doubts, you can call to the number for how to subscribe, etc. You can download my presentation by clicking the link given in the description box, right friends. So, I hope you like this entire initiative. Thanks for supporting me once again. It's because of your feedback and comments I was able to do 100 videos so far. I will provide you another 100 high quality videos which will be highly useful for your preliminary exam. Right friends, I will meet you tomorrow with another exciting, interesting topic. Till then, bye, take care.